Welcome to my new channel, besties. I'm your girl Promise, and this is day one of plenty to come. Okay, I know what you're thinking. A new channel sounds a bit extreme, but I just wanted to be able to connect with fellow fashion enthusiasts like myself. That, and also because my first channel kind of needs a deep decluttering, just like my life. But my life is actually not that bad. My wardrobe, that's a completely different conversation. I can't explain why I'm starting a new channel without first telling you guys how I got started here on YouTube. I started YouTube because I had time in my hands. I had no plan, no structure. I didn't even know I would want this to become a full-time thing. I did it when I could, how I could, whenever I felt like, which meant my audience and the kind of content I created was just everywhere and nowhere. So over the course of finding what I really want to do here on YouTube, I have kind of accumulated audience who follow me for different reasons. Some follow me for fashion styling, some follow me for my crochet work, and some follow me for alteration, and some follow me for hair and makeup and vlog. You see where this is going? It is fair to say that I have a mismatch of content as well as a mismatch of audience, which is making the whole process of streamlining the content I have on my first channel pretty difficult. So it kind of made more sense to start again. I just felt like this would be a great way for me to separate the different type of content that I make, and I also wanted to give you guys an avenue to just follow me for what you want to see. So if you're here for fashion, no need for anything else. You're gonna get fashion. If you want to know more, you can check out my lifestyle channel. Yes, it's going to now become a lifestyle channel because I am not letting that baby go. I'll be sharing my other personalities and what they get up to on a weekly, monthly, or maybe even daily basis. On this channel, we're going to be experimenting and having loads of fun with clothes. I want my crochet skills to be better than they've ever been. I want to make clothes that are jaw-dropping. I want alteration that looks like it just came straight from a designer studio. These are all the things I want, but beyond all of this, I really want to connect and create a community here on YouTube. I know that sounds real cliche, but I kind of joined YouTube because I wanted to build a community and I want to inspire everyone to create, big or small, and I want to get back to the heart of that. I'm hoping to inspire anyone who comes across my video to just create using whatever they have lying around the house. I know it's hard not to seek validation, but I want us to be able to feel validated just by trying, regardless of how the project turns out. I'm saying all of this just to say, if you're ready to have some fun creating fashion projects, some will be successful and others will be questionable, then hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you know whenever I upload a video, which I'm hoping will be weekly. But we are here to manage expectation, and I understand consistency is key, blah 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 blah, but I'm just a girl and I really don't want to lie to you guys. So it might be weekly, it might be every 2 weeks, but something that we are going to do is have fun together. So let me officially welcome you to this new era of my life, and thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. I know we're gonna have so much fun together, like really so much fun. Okay, I'm just joking around. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys loads. Mwah! Bye! The whole process of creating content that I really want to engage with, which is making the whole process of niching my content, which is making the whole So on this channel, you're gonna